Hello and welcome to Current Issues with me, Tarun. Aam Aadmi Party's jung with Delhi's Lieutenant Governor took an interesting turn today as the Delhi High Court ruled that the Lieutenant Governor is the administrative head of the National Capital Territory. The court also ruled that policy direction can't be issued without communicating to the Lieutenant Governor. Where the working relationship between the Aam Aadmi Party led Delhi government and the Lieutenant Governor headed now. Where will this relationship go in the coming days? Will they make peace or will the tussles continue? To discuss all this and more, joining me on the discussion today are Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson Somnath Bharti, BJP spokesperson RP Singh and Congress spokesperson Aman Pawar. But before we start discussing this issue with them, we will show you a few reactions on this decision.
जो लोग तानाशाही रवैया अपनाना चाहते हैं पदों पे जाने के बाद, उसको हाई कोर्ट रोक रही है। जिस प्रकार से आज आया, यूनियन टेरिटरीज का एक रूल है और इस देश में ऐसा नहीं कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बन गए तो जीएसटी अगले दिन पास कर देंगे। उसका रूल है कि और भी विपक्षी पार्टियों का समर्थन चाहिए आपको। सबका जब समर्थन होगा तभी जीएसटी पास होगा। तब पास हुआ, तब इसमें ही थोड़े कहेंगे कि अरे प्रधानमंत्री कुछ चल नहीं रही है। तो अरविंद केजरीवाल को हम समझते हैं उनको मानसिक इलाज की ज़रूरत है। वो कानून नहीं पढ़ते हैं। यूनियन टेरिटरी का जो कानून होगा वही लागू होगा ना, तो उसके ऊपर जाके वो तानाशाही तो नहीं कर सकते।
जब से आप पार्टी की सरकार आई है तो इन्होंने उस संवैधानिक दायरे को मानने से मना कर दिया। इन्होंने कहा क्योंकि हम जीत कर आए हैं, अच्छी मेजोरिटी हमें मिली है, तो हम अपनी मर्जी से काम करेंगे। ये बिल्कुल बेकायदा बात थी, जिस तरफ ही जाना चाहते थे। और मुझे लगता है कानून को देखते हुए एक बहुत ही अच्छा फैसला है और इसमें आप पार्टी के जो अरमान थे कि हम एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पावर लेकर काम कर सकते हैं, उस पे पाबंदी लगेगी।
एलजी के लिए जो शब्द इस्तेमाल किया गया संविधान में, उसका नाम है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, प्रशासक। इसको एक छोटी कंपनी के हिसाब से इस्तेमाल करें तो इसका नाम होता है सीईओ या एमडी। तो सीईओ किसी अपने एडवाइजर की सलाह से थोड़ा काम करेगा। सीईओ सलाह मानेगा। केजरीवाल जी एडवाइजर हैं उपराज्यपाल के। वो इसलिए एडवाइजर हैं कि जनता ने उनको चुना है। अब एडवाइजर कोई सीईओ का बॉस थोड़ा हो जाएगा, सिंपल भाषा में समझाऊं तो वो सिर्फ एडवाइजर है, उनका काम है एडवाइज करना। ये सीईओ का काम है एडवाइस माने या ना माने।
ये जो जजमेंट आया है, इससे एक बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा हो जाता है कि दिल्ली में सरकार है किसकी। क्या यदि आपको शिक्षा स्वास्थ्य का कोई मसला हो, बिजली पानी का कोई मसला हो, तो क्या आप विधायक और मंत्री के पास जाएंगे या उपराज्यपाल के पास जाएंगे? तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हम अवश्य जजमेंट को चैलेंज करेंगे। हम इस जजमेंट से सहमत नहीं हैं।
So interesting and very contrarian reactions and very strong reactions, I must say, to this judgment. I am actually going and talking to Congress spokesperson Aman Pawar to take his opening reactions on the judgment that has come today and how he sees this whole battle, or you can say differences of opinion and action in Delhi that have been happening between Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor, or if you can speak specifically, even Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the Lieutenant Governor.
See, Tarun, I would only like to say, when the predecessors of Arvind Kejriwal, Sheila Dikshit, Madan Lal Khurana, Sahib Singh Verma, could actually function in the same setup, then why was Arvind Kejriwal was really arguing for a different special position under the constitution? It is not that before elections he didn't know what the status of Delhi is. Delhi is the national capital. It belongs to the entire nation, and therefore, you know, a special status is conferred upon Delhi, where the central administration, the union administration, also has control over Delhi to a large extent, because it is the national capital. So why was this entire litigation drawn for a special status when the previous Chief Minister, Sheila Dikshit, Madan Lal Khurana, Sahib Singh Verma were perfectly functioning under the same setup? There might have been certain differences between their opinion and the opinion of the center, but that was never the excuse for non-performance. If you today see the large-scale potholes that you have in Delhi, the public transport has come to a complete halt. Similarly, if you see the position of the power sector, the water logging in Delhi, no work is happening. Entire energy is being wasted in this deliberate conflict between central government and the government of Delhi.
Okay, I'm going across to Somnath Bharti of the Aam Aadmi Party. Somnath Bharti ji, if you could tell us what are your first reactions on this judgment and where does this relationship or shall I say a working relationship which hardly has been working between the Lieutenant Governor and the Delhi Chief Minister's office and the ministries go now?
Tarun, I was very attentively listening my friends from Congress. See, first of all, this judgment has not given any setback to Arvind Kejriwal ji or Aam Aadmi Party. This judgment has given setback to Aam Aadmi, people of Delhi. The kind of works which we have been doing, the kind of works which we had sent to center through LG, all of these works are basically for people of Delhi, not for Aam Aadmi Party or for Arvind Kejriwal. And this is the way and the manner in which Congress and BJP have been trying to talk about the judgment as if it's a fight of supremacy. It is not a fight of supremacy, it is a fight of democracy. The kind of works which we have done in the past, which we were trying to do, like for example the fees hike in last 1.5 years, we ensured that no schools will hike the school fees which are for the people of Delhi. We ensured that the tariff of electricity does not get hiked, which is for the people of Delhi. And all those 12 writ petitions which I was seeing in the order, in the judgment, they were all on corruption. We tried to, the first one was a fight between Delhi and center on the control of ACB. We wanted anti-corruption branch to investigate even central employees because they are all finally living in Delhi. And all of these writ petitions, they were mainly focused on the fight of center against Delhi was that it cannot probe, it cannot set up commission of inquiry to set up to inquire into DDCA, to inquire into CNG. All of these corruption cases, they don't want to inquire. They don't want us to inquire into. That is the whole problem. And the constitutional set of things do see we all have respect for
you are
Honorable
making
High Court,
very
but we
explosive
disagree
or
with Honorable High
controversial
Court on
points,
this, and we would surely go into Supreme Court.
So you're going to Supreme Court, you're saying, and you're also saying that corruption cases is the root cause. But I will go to my panelist RP Singh ji of the BJP. RP Singh ji, you heard what Somnath Bharti ji said. How do you react to the decision of the court today and the reaction of your co-panelist Somnath Bharti ji?
Let me start with this. If Somnath Bharti ji can hear me, I'm Somnath Bharti. Can you hear me? Sir, you are talking about corruption as an issue. You are talking about issue of that the center doesn't want you to work and all. But can you throw this book in the dustbin? This is a book which is the book of law to govern Delhi. And as per this, the High Court decision is as per this book, is as per this constitution. So you can't throw the constitution in the dustbin and say that we will govern Delhi as we wish to govern. And you can't say that it is going to be my way or highway, sir. And as far as corruption goes, you wanted ACB to manage the corruption of your ministers, to manage the corruption of your MLAs. So that's the problem with as far as the ACB goes. And as for issues of development in Delhi, we all know what sort of development has happened. Right now, my friend from the Congress was telling you what sort of development has happened in Delhi. Tell me, is there any one camera been fitted in any of the roads of Delhi? How is the condition of power supply in Delhi today? There are power cuts in Delhi. And you say you have done a lot in power, you are not allowed the rates to go up. You are subsidizing the same from the pocket of the Delhiites. It's not that you are giving from your pocket.
Okay.
You promised that we will cut it from the
RP
pockets of the
I take that as your
and
opening
NDPL.
comment.
And then
I've got a
get
caller,
released to
Chandra
Delhiites. It's not
Prakash
happening.
from Kurukshetra.
There are water riots happening in Delhi.
Yes, Chandra Prakash, can you hear me?
हाँ जी हाँ जी
What आपको क्या क्वेश्चन पूछना है?
मैं जो कहना चाहता हूँ, अपने अंतर्मन की व्यथा जरूर कहना चाहूंगा तरुण जी। आज जो कोर्ट का फैसला है मैं उसका सम्मान करता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा किया। मगर देखिए केजरीवाल की क्या मनोदशा है, सुबेरे उठते ही मोदी जी तुम मुझे गिरफ्तार करो, तुम मुझे गिरफ्तार करो। अरे भाई दिल्ली की सेवा करो, तुम पूर्ण बहुमत से हो, राज करो, भूल जाओ मोदी को। कभी नजीब जंग, कभी शीला दीक्षित तो कभी नरेंद्र मोदी। अरे भाई केजरीवाल तुम तो खड़गपुर से ज्ञानी हो, ज्ञानी आदमी तो हमेशा ज्ञान बांटता है, मगर मैं देख रहा हूँ ज्ञानी आशुरोष के पक्षधर हो रहे हैं। मेरे ख्याल में
ठीक है, वी टेक दैट चंद्रप्रकाश जी, वी टेक दैट इज आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन ले रहे, यू डोंट हैव अ क्वेश्चन, दिस इज योर ऑब्जर्वेशन। ओके, एनीवेज आई एम गोइंग टू सोमनाथ भारती जी who wants to come in. Yes, Somnath Bharti ji, if you want you can respond to the caller, it was his observation, and you can also respond to RP Singh ji's statement.
No, Tarun, see, let me ask Mr. RP Singh a question. Tell me, what is the difference between Chandigarh and Delhi? Chandigarh is also a UT, Delhi is also a UT. What is the difference? Can you explain it to us? Both are being ruled by administrator. If a people elected CM does not have the liberty to govern the state which has chosen him in the manner and mode in which he wants, there is no, I mean, this is an insult to the Constitution of India. Let me put little this in perspective of what had happened in the discussion in the parliament when the constitution was being made. That time, till the second draft of the constitution was in place, that time there was a provision that can the governor be directly elected by the people of India. And then in the discussion it was decided that governor cannot be elected by the people of India because there cannot be two power centers. Governor will have to be chosen while a CM comes elected.
Okay,
so this was already decided.
Okay,
so
Somnath Bharti ji, I take that as your point. Aman Pawar ji of the Congress
cannot at all be given the power which.
Aman Pawar ji, you wanted to make a point.
Yes, very unfortunate. Yes, it is very unfortunate that despite a court judgment, and before today, a 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court has also held that Delhi is a union territory and the central government will have supremacy. And it is very unfortunate that despite all of this, Somnath Bharti ji is sitting here and criticizing the judgment and the observations of the court.
Which judgment of Supreme
Why did he not? Why did their government not try to work in harmony and in coordination with the LG?
Sir,
all the previous government, Sheila Dikshit government, Sahib Singh Verma government, they were functioning perfectly fine.
Even now.
Why is there a problem only when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal? Please, Mr. Bharti, don't get rattled. Let me speak. I didn't speak when you were speaking.
In spite of the kind of insult which BJP did to.
Please, Mr. Bharti, can I complete? I didn't intervene when you were speaking. Mr. Bharti, please hold your horses. Let me tell you, Uttarakhand, Arunachal are full states. Even when Arvind Kejriwal was contesting elections, he knew his limitations. He knew that this is the national capital territory. It belongs to the people of the country and not just to the people of Delhi. And therefore, it has special provisions.
You being a lawyer yourself.
And it has special provisions. And before that, all the previous chief ministers, be it Sheila Dikshit, be it Sahib Singh Verma, yes, the difference is, let me tell you the difference. Let me tell you the difference.
Somnath Bharti ji.
In Chandigarh, everything, let me tell you the difference.
Yes.
Somnath Bharti.
The difference is that in Chandigarh, the governor is the lieutenant governor, is the sole administrator. Here you have been given specific subjects like road, like electricity, like water. And in all these subjects, you have failed because you have been constantly fighting with the center.
Somnath Bharti ji, I have a question to ask you. Aman, I have taken your point.
That is the whole problem.
Somnath Bharti ji.
Possibly, Aman, you have not read the judgment.
That is the problem because you are not even ready to function
today
in the
you are
domain
in
where you
with
can function.
With BJP.
In the domain where you can
function,
function, you are not even ready to function.
The kind of work which we have done for Delhi is phenomenal. The kind of work which we have done in education sector, healthcare
Then why are you
okay, we have taken your points.
Why are you
Okay, both Aman Pawar and
money
Somnath Bharti ji, I want to come in now. I am asking a question to Somnath Bharti ji at this moment. I am reading out from what statement was made in the court. The Aam Aadmi Party government was told that it was wrong to set up inquiries into the alleged scams involving CNG fitness for buses and Delhi's cricket body DDCA. without seeking Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung's approval. This is statement number 1. Statement number 2. The Kejriwal government had last year ordered an inquiry into CNG fitness scam or the alleged corruption in contracts for fitness certificates issued to public buses that use CNG, and said that Lieutenant Governor and former Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit could be questioned. So the court now themselves say that to inquire into the corruption you should seek permission of the LG. How does the relationship between the government and the LG's office progress from there on? Are you going to contest it in the Supreme Court? Are the fights or say disagreements going to continue? Is there going to be a breakdown which will continue with files being sent back? What happens from now on? Could you tell the people of Delhi?
Tarun, the people of Delhi have elected a government.
Yes.
If there is a corruption case like CNG fitness, where Honorable Lieutenant Governor himself is accused, how can he be trusted for things in which he himself is getting involved? How can DDCA corruption case where Honorable Finance Minister Mr. Arun Jaitley is accused? See, all of these corruption cases, that was the whole sole fight. The Delhi government wanted to investigate these cases because who's who of the central government and who's who of the political spectrum, they're all involved, and BJP wanted to save them. This was the whole fight. The fight was that BJP wanted to save the corrupt. Aam Aadmi Party wants to prosecute
before I
the
go to
corrupt.
RP
Congress
Singh ji,
also
I have a caller Surya from Delhi. Before I go to RP Singh ji, I have taken your point, Somnath ji. Surya from Delhi is calling, after which I go to RP Singh ji. Yes, Surya, what question do you want to ask?
I have a question for Mr. Somnath Bharti. The Aam Aadmi government has been accusing BJP or the government in center that the center government is not allowing Aam Aadmi Party's government to work, freely. The government has been intervening a lot in the Delhi affairs. On the contrary, they have their posters running in Delhi कि 2 साल बेमिसाल. तो ये दोनों तस्वीरें कैसे सही हो सकती है कि एक तरफ वो 2 साल के अचीवमेंट्स भी गिना रहे हैं दिल्ली सरकार और एक तरफ कह रही है कि काम भी नहीं कर रही है.
I'll get Somnath Bharti ji to answer this question, but before that RP Singh ji wanted to make a comment and then Somnath ji will answer your question. Yes, RP Singh ji, what comment do you want to make?
See, the problem is Mr. Kejriwal, Mr. Somnath Bharti and all their other colleagues, they have a political strategy, and the political strategy is clear that there's a new sort of strategy which is coming in politics now, that keep abusing the power centers, keep abusing the people in the system and demeaning the system, and try to show that you are better, you are super powerful and you can run the Delhi you want to run. There's a political strategy, and there's a political strategy for them to expand in the other states also. To every time you do something and then try to play victim card. Every time you go and do something against the center and then try to play victim card. Whereas the fault lies with them. They are not following the constitution. They are not following the law. They are not abiding by the law.
Okay,
but
RP Singh ji, have
they will
taken
do
your
that
point
and then try to play a victim card.
Okay, you made your point, RP
that's
Singh
part
ji.
of the political strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay, that's
and
a political strategy is what you are alleging.
And people at large in
Somnath
country
ji, would you
have
like to
understood
rebut
that.
as also answer to the caller Surya who raised a point? Please answer on both accounts, on RP Singh ji's question and Surya's question. Yes.
Tarun,
Yes.
see, prior to us, when the Congress was at the state level and the BJP was at the center or vice versa, both of them are parties of the same nature, of the same attitude, of the same objectives. That is why they gel with each other. See, never before Congress wanted DDCA scam to be investigated. Never before investigation which we wanted to do in the power sector, they wanted to get it done. Reliance has always come out and said that मेरे जेब में दोनों पार्टियां हैं. और तरुण के सवाल का जवाब, तरुण जी, इनके सारे रोड़ा अटकाने के बावजूद हमने बहुत काम किया. अगर ये रोड़ा नहीं अटकाते तो हम और ढेर सारा काम कर लेते. हमारी मुसीबत ये है, देखिए, जिस तरह से हमने स्कूल की प्राइवेट
बैठे
स्कूल
हुए रहे
की फीस
अभी
को
तक।
कभी बढ़ने नहीं
आपने
दिया।
किस पे कार्रवाई
ये
की?
पहली बार इतिहास में,
आपके
मुझे बताएं
हाथ
इसके
तो
पहले कभी
घोटालों
हुआ?
से भरे हुए हैं।
फ्लाईओवर्स के
आपके
निर्माण
यहाँ
पे हमने
स्टिकर स्टैम्प हुआ।
सैकड़ों करोड़ रुपए बचा
आपके
लिए।
सोमनाथ भारती जी,
आप मुझे
RBC
बताएं,
का-
हजार
अरे
मोहल्ला
आपका
क्लिनिक
भाई
हमने
caller, Rajesh from
दिसंबर
Mumbai.
तक वॉशिंगटन
वहाँ पर
पोस्ट
तो
तक।
I'll get Rajesh. What question do you want to ask?
Yeah, hi. Hello, sir.
Yes,
I have a
Rajesh.
question for Mr. Somnath Bharti.
Yes, Rajesh.
See, I'm watching this debate for a while now.
Yes.
And I think the whole point is kind of revolving around what we did in Delhi and what we not. I think the question is not what is the performance. The question is what is the constitution. And I think AAP very well knew before going to the election that Delhi is a UT and not a full-fledged state. And they went to election with that. Now what is the fighting?
Okay.
You have to accept whatever the constitution is and you have to act accordingly.
Okay, I take your point, Rajesh ji. I am posing the question to Somnath ji on behalf of you. Yes, Somnath ji, you've heard Rajesh from Mumbai. Yes, Somnath ji, what is your answer on this?
See, Rajesh, I mean, I value the way you said it, but let me put it in this way. See, anti-corruption branch was with Delhi governments for last 40 years. Now, never before its powers were curtailed. Honorable Modi ji came in 2014 May. In July, he through a notification, he tried to he basically curtailed the powers of anti-corruption branch, and he said that ACB cannot investigate corruption charges against central government employees or central ministers. What was this? Something which was already pursuing for last 40 years in existence. Why was what was the need to curtail the power of anti-corruption branch? See, the coziness, the comfort
Did you
level,
refer a
comfort
single
zone in which
case
Bajpa
of
and
Delhi
Congress both
corruption?
live with each other got disturbed because of us.
Okay, I
We
take-
Not a single
categorically stated that
There
we
are
will not
cases and
tolerate
cases and
every
cases
corrupt will have to
against
go to the
Mr.
jail.
Kejriwal
See,
on
BJP has not
corruption
been able to
issue.
prosecute
Have you
even
filed a
one
single
Congress
case in
corrupt.
ACB on corruption issue
Corrupt
until
of
they
Congress
force you
party.
to do
Okay,
that?
okay, Somnath ji, you made your
absolutely
point.
comfortable.
I'll go to
Sir,
RP Singh ji and Aman Pawar now.
Because BJP
RP Singh ji, you make your point, then Aman Pawar will speak.
Congress regime.
Okay, I've taken your point. RP Singh ji, you make your point, and then Aman Pawar will speak. Yes, RP Singh ji.
Sir, issue is they wanted ACB to hide the corruption of their officials whom they were forcing to do wrong corrupt practices, and also corruption of their MLAs and their ministers. Now their own MLA was caught on talking on a phone asking for a bribe. They referred that case to CBI, one or to ACB. Their own MLA, Mr. Gopal Rai, is involved in the transport scam. They again took his resignation. Mr. Kejriwal, Mr. Kapil Mishra, there's a case against both of them on account of corruption of Jal Board, now which is being inquired, FIR being filed against them. So they were trying to cover up that, and they wanted the control of
Okay,
ACB.
RP
And
Singh ji,
ACB
I've taken your
practically
point.
is one of the
I've taken
police
your
station
principal
under the
point.
Commissioner of Delhi
Aman
Police.
Pawar ji
It's
wants
a
to
different,
come in.
separate body.
Where a chief minister
Somnath ji.
has forwarded the case of corruption against his own minister.
Okay, Aman Pawar ji wants to come in, and then I'll go to Somnath ji. Yes, Aman Pawar ji, what's your point?
One-third cabinet is involved in corruption, including the chief minister.
Party is playing is actually, is actually a platform that they are raising so that at the end of 5 years they can say that these are the reasons because of which we could not perform in Delhi. So this is all a stage set up for their failures that they will blame after the end of 5 years.
Okay.
That we could not do we could not
So
do
what
anything
you're saying
promised
that they
in
are
our
preparing an
manifesto.
excuse.
We could not build 500
Okay,
schools.
before I
We
go to
could not-
Somnath ji.
Yeah, all these are excuses,
Okay.
diversionary tactics for their non-performance.
Okay, before I go to Somnath ji, I'll ask a question to Somnath ji, and he can also
let me
answer
come
to
to it.
Aman. Yes, Somnath ji, I'll ask you a question and you also answer to Aman Pawar ji. See, we start from 2014. It started with the rift over Jan Lokpal, where you said the central government will not help you pass it, and Kejriwal resigned. Then you had a problem over disagreement over the appointment of Delhi's chief secretary. Then you had a problem over anti-corruption bureau's chief's appointment. Then there was a problem over the Delhi Commission of Women appointment, which led to a confrontation. There was delay in regularization of government teacher jobs, and that became a very big issue in Delhi. And then there was a Warpath, and there was a problem over the DDCA probe, which led to a confrontation between the central and the state government. AAP levels then corruption charge against the LG. That also happened. Now, Somnath ji, if you could explain us, for the development of any state, there needs to be a working relationship between the center and the state, and this is, say, what you can say, this is common for every state. Modi ji himself in his speech recently at Vigyan Bhavan said that there should be a working relationship for progress. But do you think we can, or the people of Delhi can expect this when the center and state don't agree on anything? They disagree on almost everything. Do you see this happening, or the fight continues for the next 2 years?
See, Tarunji, whatever you have just stated,
Yes.
and I thank you for saying all this, because all of this basically shows that as and when a corruption case Aam Aadmi Party government wants to investigate or wants to get into, where BJP or Congress leaders are involved, they immediately try to obstruct the same. We are clearly of understanding that the cozy relationship between Congress and BJP would allow such things to happen. In 2.5 years of regime of Honorable Prime Minister, not even one corrupt leader of Congress has been investigated or booked. Such relationships cannot be be managed with Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party is all out to investigate cases against BJP and Congress both. Whoever does corruption,
the
will be
Aam Aadmi Party is
investigating.
being
They
victimized.
all
I
have
got
come
your
into
point. We move
trouble.
to closing comments because I am totally out of time. RP Singh ji, what is your closing comment after today's judgment? Very quickly, what is your closing comment for today's discussion?
My closing comment is the metro infrastructure in Delhi is the best example of a better relationship between the center and the state. And Mr. Kejriwal will not follow that, because that is, as I said earlier, that is part of his political strategy, because he wants to play a victim card throughout. And I'm sorry, I differ with Aman Pawar, which he says 5 years. I doubt he'll run the government for 5 years. He'll play a victim card and like to go for election in Delhi also before 5 years.
Okay, I take your point. Aman Pawar ji, 30 seconds. What is your concluding take today?
Tarun, I would only like to say that this constitutional position in regard to Delhi was very well known to Arvind Kejriwal even before he contested elections, and I would like to request him. He has already spent about crores of rupees in this litigation at Delhi High Court, and I would humbly like to request Somnath Bharti to not
thank you, Aman
waste
ji.
public
We're totally
money
out
in
of time.
further
Somnath
litigation
Bharti
and
ji,
ego
very
battles
quickly
in
your
Supreme
closing
Court.
comment, and then we almost run out of time. Yes, Somnath ji.
Tarun, whatever Amanji was saying, in fact, more than 8,000 classrooms we have added. More than 2,000 CCTV cameras have been placed. 1,000 Mohalla clinics would be placed by the end of December. If this is not work, then what is work?
Okay.
If this is not work, then what is work?
Thank you so much, gentlemen.
What do you mean by
Thank
work?
you so much, gentlemen, for joining on today's discussion. So, as we see, despite today's High Court judgment, it seems that there is a sense of a relationship of a sort beyond a point between the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government and the BJP-led NDA government, which rules at the center. It remains to be seen whether these two parties who are leading two governments in the state and the center can develop a sort of working relationship in the coming months, or will the situation worsen? That remains to be seen. We'll track this issue for you on News World India. Thank you so much for joining us on today's discussion.